guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert the checkmark in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to set a table for us to place our checkmark in. Let's say we have 3 items that we need to finish today. And to mark that they are done, let's put a checkmark in it. To easily insert a checkmark, all you have to do is click on the cell where we want to place the checkmark in. Go to the Insert tab. Go to the symbols on the last group and click on the symbol. Now, we should be able to see this window, but if this isn't the exact window that you're seeing, all you have to do is click on Font and type Wingdings. Once you're here, scroll to the bottom of the list and you should see a check mark right here and right here. Let's try both for now. By clicking Insert on both of the symbols, we are currently saving them over this bar right here as recently used symbols. Now, once we close this, we just got 2 check marks over here. Let's move the other check mark to the second one. As you can see, it's currently not showing the check mark. This is because we have not set these other 2 boxes as wingdings, whereas this section over here, where we originally inserted the symbols, already contain wingdings. To fix this, let's just type wingdings while selecting the cells that we want to change. And there we go. Since it's currently not centered, all we have to do is select the cells and click on Center. There we have it. Now, let's go ahead and color the actual symbol as green since it's supposed to be signifying a check mark. Now, to apply this to the third cell, let's go ahead and paste it to item number 3 by simply copying the cell and pasting it to the third one. And there we have it. This is how we insert checkmark in Microsoft Excel.